Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to test your internet speed on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to test your internet speed on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, search for speedtest.net on your search bar. And once you're on the website, simply click the Go button to start the internet speed test. The test will begin automatically. First, Speedtest will measure your ping, then your download speed, and finally your upload speed. So just wait for the test to finish. And once it's done, you'll see all of your internet speed results. Now let me quickly explain what each result means. First is the download speed. This tells you how fast your device can receive data from the internet. This affects things like streaming videos, browsing websites, downloading files, updating games, and loading online content. In general, the higher your download speed, the faster these activities will be. And lastly, there's your upload speed. This measures how fast your device can send data to the internet. Upload speed is important when uploading files to cloud storage, sending large attachments, posting videos online, live streaming, or joining video meetings where your camera and microphone are being transmitted. So the main difference is that download speed is how fast you receive data from the internet, while upload speed is how fast you send data to the internet. And that's it, guys. That's how you can test your internet speed using Speedtest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.